Hello. Thank you for joining me today. Welcome to your 20-minute Yoga Nidra practice. Let's start by finding a comfortable position, lying flat on your back with your legs extended and arms resting by your sides, with your palms facing upward. Allow your body to settle into the surface beneath it. Take a few moments to adjust your body, ensuring that you are comfortable and supported. You may want to gently shift your legs, arms, or head to find a position where you can remain still for the duration of the practice. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Feel the tension start to release from your body with each breath. Let go of any tension you might be holding on to. As you begin to relax, let your body and mind become still. Know that this time is just for you, a time to let go of all distractions and fully surrender to the present moment. Before we begin the body scan, take a moment to set a Sankalpa, an intention or affirmation that you would like to focus on during this practice. It could be something like, I am at peace, or something more specific to your current life. Whatever intention you choose, allow it to resonate deeply with you. Repeat this affirmation mentally and feel the power of the words settling into your mind and heart. Now we will begin a body scan. As I name each part of the body, simply bring your awareness to that area and allow it to relax deeply. If you notice any tension, gently release it with your breath. Start by bringing your attention to your right hand, the palm of your hand, the fingers. Feel each finger soften, releasing any tightness. Relax your wrist, your forearm, elbow, upper arm. Allow the muscles in your arm to soften and release. Move your awareness to your right shoulder. Feel it melting away from your ear, relaxing completely. Now bring your awareness to the left hand, the palm, the fingers. Feel the sensation in your hand as it becomes soft and relaxed. Relax your wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm. Let your entire left arm release and let go. Bring awareness to your shoulders and allow them to sink deeply into the ground. Let the shoulders feel open and light. Now shift your attention to your torso. Feel the weight of your body resting on the floor. Relax your chest, your heart space. Let go of any tension in your ribs and your abdomen. Allow your lower back to soften, your spine to lengthen. Move your awareness to your right leg, the thigh, knee, shin, ankle, and foot. Feel your right leg heavy and relaxed. Now bring awareness to your left leg, your left thigh, knee, shin, ankle, and foot. Feel the weight of the leg as it rests comfortably. Now bring awareness to the pelvic area, your hips, your glutes. Feel the weight of your body sinking and relaxing. Move your attention to your back. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your back with each breath. Allow your spine to soften, your entire back relaxing. Bring your awareness to your neck and throat. Release any tension from your throat, allowing it to soften. Relax your jaw, your mouth, your lips, your entire face. Feel your forehead smooth and relaxed. Let your eyes rest in their sockets and feel your eyelids becoming heavier with each passing moment. Relax your eyebrows, your temples, and your cheeks. Finally, bring awareness to your head. Feel the scalp and the top of your head softening. Relax any remaining tension and let your entire body be at ease. Now bring your awareness to your breath without trying to change anything. Simply observe the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. With each inhalation, feel your body becoming more and more relaxed. With each exhalation, feel any tension or stress leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath, noticing the subtle rise and fall of your belly, your chest, with every breath. Take a long, deep inhale and exhale slowly through your mouth. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, serene place. This might be a beach, a meadow, a forest, or any place that feels completely calm and safe. Picture the scene vividly in your mind. Feel the temperature of the air on your skin. Hear the sounds of nature around you. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of your surroundings. As you continue to deepen your relaxation, imagine a golden light above your head. This light is warm, healing, and nurturing. With each breath, imagine this golden light slowly descending into your body, filling you with peace and relaxation. Allow this light to enter your head, flowing gently down through your body, through your shoulders, arms, chest, abdomen, legs, until your whole body is bathed in golden healing light. Feel this light dissolve any remaining tension or stress, leaving you feeling light, calm, and at ease. Now begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Begin to wiggle your toes, your fingers, bringing small movements back into the body. If it feels comfortable, stretch your body, lengthening your arms and legs. When you're ready, slowly begin to open your eyes, bringing your awareness back to the space around you. Take a moment to notice how you feel. observing any changes in your body or mind. Before we end, repeat your intention silently to yourself one more time. Feel its energy within you as you prepare to return to the world around you. Take a final deep breath in and slowly exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Thank you for joining this Yoga Nidra session. Take this sense of calm with you as you go through the rest of your day or night.